That? Wait. What is this?
Happy birthday.
No way.
Yep.
Where did y'all get this one? What is this? What? See that? No way. Yes, I want it.
Your shirt is ginormous.
When did y'all get this at this morning? Where was it?
Bobby!
Oh my god. You like it? Yes.
It was, Tony that I worked with.
Yeah.
It was his wife.
Mommy, you want some lotion?
They were usually one.
Oh my goodness. That is insane. That is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's a 94
Yes.
Mustang GT convertible.
I love it.
Good thing it's a
What's
girl.
her name? What's her name, Blake?
That's your...
Oh, I get a pick!
Don't
Awesome!
make this something stupid.
Brooke.
No.
But you said I
No.
could name
It's not being named Brooke. Sorry.
Oh, then I'm not naming it.
Okay, then you're not naming it.
What's her name?
No, this is gonna take
You have
a
to
long
think
time.
about it.
Yeah, this will be a.
Why are you naming it?
You got it. It's your call.
So you excited?
Oh yeah. Oh my. This is.
Are you surprised?
I quit.
Yes, very much.
No, we're going to dinner.
Tabby and I